Tantra actually brings us back to our essential nature. And from this essential nature, we have a place where we don't culture neurosis. We don't get into neurosis. We get rid of conditionings and fears. With that, we are able to live efficiently, living life to its total potential. Tantra is also within the Western cultures, like for example the Testament or the Torah contains a lot of Tantra, but we have to study this, we have to go deeper into it. So Tantra actually integrates us, and from an integrated selfhood, we see differently, we understand things differently, education becomes different. So the Tantra schools are more for a fulfilled life culture than a denial life culture. Tantrics don't see that we can repair the psychology or makeup of a person. Tantrics believe that this person is having a crisis because the person has not matured. So Tantrics believe in teaching them a philosophy, a spiritual science and culture where it helps them mature. It may be personal maturity, it may be spiritual maturity, but this science and culture shifts the awareness, shifts the consciousness. So through these shifts, the person shifts the way of thinking, and the person sees other possibilities in life. And what I call the no-exit zones vanishes. With the earlier form of thinking, it just leads from one no-exit zone to another no-exit zone. So I think this is why a lot of Westerners came to the Dalai Lama. A lot of them come to me for Tantra because Tantra gives them a completely new perspective into life and living. What kind of education is this that takes us to agitations? What kind of education is this that makes me disrespect every other living being? We learn politics, we learn walls, we learn barriers, we learn to separate ourselves from others. This becomes a software, and we live by this limited software, and therefore we don't make changes. I know one thing though, everything is about yourself. It's in honoring your true self that you achieve your freedom. You live by love. You die by love. That's Tantra, the teaching of Tantra.